Okay, so what we want to do now is look at point slope form. So let's find on the Khan Academy. I'm going to scroll down until we see it. It's right here. So we're going to go to point slope form. Okay, so it says complete the point slope equation of the line through 2, 3, and 7, 4. Use exact numbers. So go ahead and add a page. Okay. So my points are going to be 2, 3, 7, 4. And they've started the answer for me. They've said that it's going to be y minus 4. And it's going to equal something. Okay. So point slope form, it's always going to look like this. It's always going to be y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at this 4. And you should ask yourself, where did they get that 4? Did they get it from this ordered pair, or did they get it from this ordered pair? Well, we can see that there's a 4 in the y1 in the answer that they gave us. So we know immediately we're going to have y minus 4 equals, we don't know what the slope is yet, open parentheses x minus, and because the 4 was the y1, that makes this 7 the x1. And write 7 and close the parentheses. Now we have to find the slope. In order to find the slope, we're going to use the equation slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We're going to go ahead and label the ordered pair that we didn't already label our x2, y2. And then we're going to plug in the corresponding numbers. So I see y2 is 3 minus y1 is 4. And then we have x2 is 2 minus x1 is 7. 3 take away 4 is negative 1. 2 take away 7 is negative 5. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so your answer is going to be 1/5. You're going to put your slope up here. Okay, so now let's look back at our Khan Academy. We have here 1/5 and then x minus 7. Okay, and as you can see before I clicked on I'd like a hint, so it's not going to give me the nice green dot here, but that's okay. So this is how you complete the point slope form equation. The only tricky thing I've seen is when you have the double negative. Remember, like in this one, you have y minus 7 and you have, it's not letting me write on the screen. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not letting me write on the screen, but let me pull this up again. Here you can see they've given you the answer y minus 7 equals a number. And we can see that the ordered pair they're referring to is the negative 5, 7. So that means that the 7, because it's right here, that's the y1, making this the x1. And we're going to have to plug it in. We don't know what our slope is, but we know that this is going to be x minus a negative 5. Well, is that an acceptable answer? No. Make sure that if you're plugging it in and you have minus a negative, you're going to do y minus 7 equals your slope, and then it's going to be x plus 5. Okay? And you just have to find your slope.